Hey, what's up? It's Landon. It's early January. Happy New Year. It's January 2nd. Uh, like a glutton, I'm back out here at the lake, walking around, looking. I have found some things out on this shore before, but you know, you never know what to expect. I've been out here about an hour and a half or so and was about ready to head to a different place. When I walked up on this, I think it's a snapped base. I haven't uncovered the bottom part of it yet to have a good look at it. But we'll do that together. Watch it probably, it might not even be anything. Let's see here. Huh? You got something? Oh, it's whole. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes! Oh, that's a fucking Happy New Year present. Pardon my language. That's a beautiful New Year's present. Oh man, I was not expecting that. I thought for sure that that base was going to be snapped off of there. Oh. Woohoo! Now that's a good start to the season. Well, Happy New Year, y'all. Oh yeah, nice little corner notch. Burlington shirt, maybe? That's old. Look at the patina on that. I'll wash it off, take a couple pictures, post them up. Oh, I am so happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and you never know what I'm going to find next, so stay tuned.